Let's learn some colors and match the shapes. This is black color, orange color, dark green color, blue color, brown color, yellow color, olive green color, pink color, light yellow color, dark pink color, light green color, purple color. Heart. This shape is heart. Let's find out where is heart in another row. This one. So, purple color. Heart. Heart. Here is heart and here is second heart. Let's match the heart to heart. Purple color. Green color. This is cross. This shape is cross shape. Cross. Here is second cross. So let's match the cross with cross. This is heart. Heart to heart. Let's match the heart with heart. Green color. Orange color. This is crescent. This is crescent shape. I'm coloring the crescent with orange color. Here is second crescent. I'm matching the crescent with second crescent. Crescent with crescent. Let's match the crescent with crescent. Orange color. Brown color. Octagon. Octagon. This shape is octagon. And here is second octagon. Octagon to octagon. Let's match the octagon with octagon. Dark brown color. Pink color. This is parallelogram. This is parallelogram. Here is second parallelogram. This is parallelogram. Let's match the parallelogram with second parallelogram. Dark pink color. Arrow. This is arrow. Here is second arrow. Let's match the arrow with arrow. One arrow, two arrow. Let's match the arrow with arrow. Light yellow color. Dark green color. This is pentagon. This is pentagon. Pentagon. Here is second pentagon. Here is second pentagon. Let's match the pentagon with pentagon. Here is. I'm matching the pentagon with second pentagon. Dark green color. Heart, cross, crescent, octagon, parallelogram, arrow, pentagon. Octagon, heart, arrow, cross, pentagon, crescent, parallelogram. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye.